Hello people, this is Sarthak Mahapatra
And this is Raman Kumar.
and here we are for the Lit Tweets event Catch It Live, and Catch It Live demands to catch things live, and here we are for the today's topic, that is Friend Zoned. And we're gonna roam around the campus and talk to people, clear some literal doubts about how people get friend zoned and how girls put guys into friend zone.
I'm out of it.
Cut the crap. Okay, so behind that's a philosopher. What's that saying?
Yeah, behind every successful video, there is a friend zone DSLR photographer. So here's our photographer buddy.
Hello, buddy.
Hello, buddy. Aditya K. Singh.
Very fine. And I'm holding this mic because it gives me the feel it doesn't work. Anyways, let's roam around the campus and look for some genuine answers.
Let's go. So have you ever been friend zoned?
Surely. Yeah, I have been friend zoned. Yeah, there's a saying in Odia that Jitte Gori Satya story. There was a Gori here. I was attracted to her, but the law of attraction on the other part failed. So it was going well for some time, but I found out that I was being put in a separate bag. There was an open group where she can freely interact, but I was only in text format. So I could be only text, no direct interaction.
Okay, acha, so do you have a girlfriend now?
No.
Okay, that's all.
So we have Arghya Patnaik with me. Let's ask an important and interesting question to him. So Arghya, have you ever been friend zoned?
No,
Why?
of course. Cool dudes are never friend zone. I have been Mandu zone.
Okay, Arghya has a specialized, term here. He says that he's been Mandu zone. So let's ask, what is exactly a Mandu zone guy?
Mandu, Mandu is something of a translation of a lover boy
Okay.
or a lover girl. So like everyone has approached me and everyone I have approached, we have a relationship of a lover. Lover, Romeo and Juliet. That is what he called Mandu zone.
Cut it. Okay, so I have the female version of Mask of Zorro right here. Let's, okay, she has a pink mask as well. So here is Vindata Raut from 4th year, aka Windy. So let's ask her some simple questions. So Windy, have you ever got friend zoned?
Me? A lot of times.
Oh, cool. So she feels that she has got friend zoned. So how do people exactly get friend zoned?
By being me.
Can you please elaborate?
See, I'm a typical tomboy.
Okay.
See, I talk shit with guys about sports and everything. So that's the first thing for girls. If you start talking about sports, friend zone. That's it. You be all girly and you talk about Zara's outfits, you talk about makeup, you talk about Maybelline. Oh wow, she's so hot.
Oh my
you
God.
see? That's how it's done with girls.
Okay. So don't you feel that Justin Bieber is a tomboy or tom girl? I'm not sure, and he must have got friend zoned as well.
Who's Justin Bieber?
Oh my God, who is Justin Bieber? Point to be noted. Next question.
He's an irrelevant guy or girl or whatever beach ka thing for me.
Let's not go about the gender topics here.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So how many guys have you put into friend zone?
I.
Yes. She has to think a lot, and that means the number is uncountable.
Maybe. See, 4 years in engineering college and it's a must thing for girl. We
Yes.
can't help it. We can't help it. I'm
Shit.
sorry.
No.
We can't help it.
Okay, so she means that if you get into engineering, that too in a BPUT college, you will be friend zoning a lot of guys. Girls,
Yes.
please take it note. Thank you, Windy, for talking to us. Nice
Most
talking to you.
welcome. Bye-bye.
Pati, a civil engineering second year student. I'm gonna ask him the very question to him as well. So Siddhikonda, have you ever got friend zoned?
First of all, for being friend zoned, we need to be in a boyfriend zone first.
Okay.
So with that condition provided, I have always been in the friend zone from the very beginning.
So you mean to say that you lack hormones to have a crush on someone?
No, not so. But still, I have crush from my sides. But you can say nobody gives me that sort of how.
So exactly that's what is friend zone, right?
Yes. And I enjoy being friend zoned.
Okay, so he enjoys being friend zone. Point to be noted. So how do you exactly feel that a person should get out of being friend zone? Of course, when he is not Siddhikonda Satpathy, because he enjoys being in friend zone.
So to get out of friend zone, you cannot try for the same girl. repeatedly.
Okay, so polygamous.
Yes, you need to be polygamous. You need to find out strategies, new girls to get.
Strategies. This is what civil engineering does.
Yes, this is the engineer's viewpoint.
Okay, so we have our friend zone guy, the most decent and modest Sitikanda Satpathy with us. Thank you. There's no one here out here. Let's see. Oh, I spotted someone. A handsome dude there. Let's interview him. Hello, my friend. My God. Okay, my friend, have you ever got friend zone? Please wait, please. Have you ever got friend zone? Have you ever got friend zone? Cool. We have a third-year instrumentation student right here. We'll ask him random questions about friend zone here. Okay. So, have you ever got friend zone?
I don't know. Yes, I have been.
Okay, so she says that she has been friend zoned. So, what exactly do you feel a guy or girl in friend zone does?
They're friends, they're normal friends, they talk, they hang out. Like everybody in see, look at them, they're my friends.
Okay.
If girls can be friends, even boys can be. And the boys who are friends are friend zoned.
Okay, suppose I love a girl and she friend zones me. What am I supposed to do?
I think if you want someone to fall in love with you, you first have to be her friend, and then a relationship can grow. That's all.
Okay, so we have cool answers from a third year student here. That's me signing off. Thank you. Okay, I have Devashmita with me. She's a third year student, and we want to ask her a couple of questions and see what her exact reactions are. Okay, Devashmita, so have you ever got friend zoned?
Yeah, a lot time.
Okay, so Devashmita answers she had been friend zoned. How do you exactly feel that people get friend zoned?
I feel good actually. Okay, fine. Friends are more important than anyone else. So yeah, but it hurts. Like I understand your feelings too.
Oh my
Even
God.
you are also friend zoned from
I'm not friend zoned, please. Okay. Good. So how do you exactly people get out of friend zone? Alcohol?
Not
Drugs?
necessarily.
Okay. So what exactly do you feel? Kurkure?
Ice cream.
Okay, so she has a point to make that ice cream creates a void in yourself that you get out of the friend zone. Okay, cool. So what else do you feel? Okay, that's it. Cut it. So I have a pretty girl from electrical second year with me. She is Ipshita Das. Let's ask her the same question. So Ipshita, have you ever been friend zoned?
No.
So that's a wicked no. I mean, there's a wicked smile behind that no. Let's ask her again. Why? Why no, Ipshita?
वो मेरी मारे उससे पहले मैं उनके मार लेती हूँ.
Oh my God, that's a pretty good saying that she has. What exactly does that mean?
I put them friend zone. That's it.
Okay, so do you believe that guys, over involved with you, or are there genuine guys who love you and you imperatively get them friend zoned?
They just overreact in every situation. They just overreact, and I just don't feel like talking to them anymore. And ja re tu.
Oh my God. So do you have a boyfriend?
No.
So see, girls, even though they don't have a boyfriend, they put guys into friend zone. That's a blunt answer. Thank you for it.